Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a code for exclusive deal. Whether you are a new app user or an existing user, use this code and you're going to be getting really nice products at discounted prices. Just like the name implies, exclusive deals. So you're going to be getting really juicy offers, okay? All you need to do is to download the Temu app. You're going to be using the link in my description box to download the app if you don't have the app, or if you have it already, just search this code in the search bar: ACY 077290. Click on the search icon, and just like that, you're going to be offered the Temu exclusive deal. Now, Temu has this thing of offering you other deals, okay? Once you use this code, you might be offered something else first before you get to the exclusive deal, all right? Now, this is something different. I'm going to be doing a different video on this. If you're interested in how to get these 120 euros, or it can be in dollar or whatever currency, wherever you are, if you're interested in getting real cash to your PayPal, or you want to transfer it to your Temu credit, I'll do a different video on that. Just let me know in the comment section, okay? For now, I'm going to cancel this, and just all I'm interested in is the exclusive deal. So here is the page for the exclusive deal, all right? Now, everything you see here are at really good prices, like they're already discounted, okay? These are the best price. Whatever you see here, you're going to be seeing the best price of anything you search for in this section. And not only that, you're going to be getting top products with, really good reviews, all right? If you go through, or as I'm scrolling through, you can see that most of the items here are really sold at high, numbers. And from the look of things, they have like 5-star reviews, okay? So anything at all you want to search for, anything at all you want to buy on Temu, like I said, whether you're a new app user or an existing user, this code is going to benefit you, all right? So make sure you use the code. All you need to do is to click on whatever it is you want and just add to cart, all right? Just add to cart. That's just it. Yes, because everything here is already discounted, and they are really, really good reviews. But regardless, make sure you go through the reviews of whatever it is you're buying, so that you're sure of exactly what you're getting. For instance, I want to know what this lunch box is made of. Okay, just scroll down to where you have the product details. Everything is there. All right, just click on it. You're going to see everything you need. From here, the material is stainless steel, is dishwasher safe, and I can use it without electricity. You will see the dimension, the length, the width, everything is just here. Make sure you go through the reviews as well. Okay, this item has really, really good reviews. Always go through the reviews. You can click on the real life pictures to see what you're actually getting, unedited pictures taken by people. All right, it's really going to be of benefit to you. That's something I always advise that we do when we are using the Temu app, all right, to avoid the what we ordered versus what we got problem. Okay, anyway, I hope you found value in this video. If you have, please like, share, subscribe, and if you have questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer you. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.